Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my God. Ayan. Ayan for today's video. Joke lang. I am going to greet a friend of no other than G. Pancho. So, ayan si Sikoy. I want to greet you a happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. And stay young, stay healthy, and stay fit as always. So, yun lang. And nice meeting you in this platform, the YouTube platform. So, more blessings to come in your life and stay healthy as always. So, that's it. And basta enjoy lang yung life mo, si Sikoy G. Ayan. Please hug and embrace, of course. G. Pancho, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, G. God bless. More blessings to come. Mwah.